Hello everyone. So we are going to explore not one, not two, but over 10 plus fantastic open source projects that you can contribute to using TypeScript and JavaScript. But that's not all. I will be sharing some insider tips on how you can find the perfect open source project for you according to your skills level. Whether you are just starting out excited to make your first contribution and looking for good first issues, or you are aiming to discover well-funded open source companies where you can contribute and potentially land a job, I have got you covered. So now let's start. These are some of the fantastic open source projects that I have carefully selected after researching. Don't worry, I will make sure to put all these projects in the video description below so that you can check them out. And now I know that picking your first open source project can be a bit daunting, especially if you're a beginner. You might be wondering, how do even I choose one? Well, let's see. Here is a simple yet effective way to start. Go to the GitHub repository of any of these projects. Once you are there, navigate to the issues section. In the issues section, look for labels like good first issues or beginner friendly. These labels are treasure map for new contributors. These indicates the issues that are perfectly for beginners. Now here's the key part. Open one of these beginner friendly issues, take some time to read through it and try to understand what's going on. In the beginning, it might seem a bit overwhelming, but trust me, you will start getting hang on it. If you feel comfortable with an issue and it aligns with your skills, then that's your cue to dig deeper. Start exploring the project's code base related to that issue and see how you can fix that. And then one by one, you can try to fix all these beginner-friendly issues. By following this method, you can explore multiple projects and find the one that resonates with you most. Remember, it's all about learning and growing at your own pace. And also don't worry, stay tuned because soon I will be making a dedicated video showing you the entire process from beginning to fixing an issue and contributing to an open source project. Now let's talk about how you can take the reins and discover open source projects that aligns perfectly with your skills and interest. I have got you 3-4 methods that will help you to navigate the vast open source landscape. Ready? Let's go. First up, if you are watching this during Hacktoberfest, you are lucky. It's an excellent time to start your open source journey. Just head over to Hacktoberfest participation page, scroll down a little bit, and you will find the Start Contributing section. Here you will discover a goldmine of resources that will lead you to some fantastic open source projects. It's like treasure map for contributors. And if you are just starting and searching for simple issues, head over to First Issues website. Here you can select your preferred programming language and it will present you with the list of beginner-friendly issues from various projects. It's a fantastic resource for newcomers. For those of you especially interested in Hacktoberfest projects, check out this Hacktoberfest project website. This site compiles a comprehensive list of projects participating in this event. Just select your desired language and you are ready to dive into Hacktoberfest excitement. Now here is a unique idea if you want to find fully funded open source startups that aligns with your interest. Go to Y Combinator's website, then go to companies page and there in tags section, you will find open source tag. Select that, then you will discover companies affiliated with Y Combinator and have open source projects. Click on any company that intrigues you, then explore their GitHub repository. If their tech stack matches your skills, you are all set to start contributing to a fully funded open source startup. Now here is a classic way to find projects, the GitHub topic page. It's like goldmine of projects that's just waiting for you. Go to GitHub topic section. All you need to do is pick a topic that you are interested in and you will discover a bunch of projects related to that topic. It's easy, right? And finally, don't underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn can be excellent source for discovering open source opportunities. Follow developers, join conversation, and you might be stumbled upon the perfect project. And there you have it, several methods to help you find the perfect open source project. Stay tuned for next one, where I will walk you through the entire process of fixing your first issue and contribute to open source project. And before you go, like, subscribe, and let's connect on Twitter. Until next time, happy coding and may you find the open source project of your dreams. See you soon.